please continue making those mistakes. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index has hit a record high 46 times, and that is in 27 months of our administration. We have received 8 positive credit ratings actions from international credit ratings agencies, most recently with Fitch and Standard and Poor's, placing us just one upgrade away from being considered investment grade. And stating the obvious, these ratings agencies have been very, very cautious with their evaluations. So in spite of being very cautious, they have placed us at that particular spot. Publications and pundits have taken notice. Foreign Policy Magazine, as well as one of the leaders of the CN 100, has referred to us, and I quote, as Asia's next tiger, close quote. Mr. Ruchir Sharma, Morgan Stanley's head of emerging market equities, in his book has said, and I quote, the Philippines is no longer a joke, close quote. Even the World Economic Forum agrees, twice bumping us up 10